Hello dear friends, we are going to continue the next part of the fourth topic, that's of Phylum Chordata. In Phylum Chordata, it includes animal with the notochord, dorsal tubular nerve cord, and there is a presence of the pharyngeal gill slits. So you can see here there is a presence of notochord, there is a presence of the dorsal hollow nerve cord, and there is a presence of the pharyngeal gill slits. The notochord is a flexible rod located in the mid dorsal line between the alimentary canal and the nerve cord in the embryo. So you can see here there is a presence of the alimentary canal and there is a presence of the nerve cord, and in between it there is a presence of the notochord. Next characteristic about the difference between the chordates and the non-chordate. In case of the chordate, notochord is found in embryonic stage, but here there is an absence of the notochord. Second one, the central nervous system, it's a dorsal, hollow and a single, but in case of non-chordate, it is a ventral, solid and the double. The third difference is there is a presence of the pharyngeal gill slits. There is a presence of the pharyngeal gill slit, but in case of the non-chordate, it's absent. In case of chordata, the ventral heart is there, but in case of non-chordate, the dorsal heart is there. There is a presence of the post-anal tail in case of chordata, and in case of non-chordate, the post-anal tail is absent. Next, the phylum Chordata, it is divided into the three subphylum. The first one, it is a urochordate. The second subphylum, it's a cephalochordata, and the third subphylum, it's a vertebrata. The first subphylum, that is the urochordate, it is also says as a tunicate animal. In case of this animal, the notochord is present only in the larval tail. The body, so this larval tail notochord, it is a significant characteristic features in case of the urochordate, that is a tunicate animal. The second one, the body it is covered by test made up of the tunicine. So you can see this, the body it is covered with the test and it is made up of the tunicine. These organisms are exclusively marine. They are the hermaphrodite animal. Its example is the Acida, Salpa and the Dolilium. Next one, the second subphylum, it says as the cephalochordata. In case of cephalochordata, notochord which is present, and it's a present from head region to tail region. So you can see this is the notochord, and this notochord it is started from head region and it is extended up to the tail region. These organisms are mostly the fish-like organism, fish-like body is there. They are exclusively marine and the sexes are separated, that is the male and the female organisms are separated. Its example is the Amphioxus. So this one is the Amphioxus, and this Amphioxus it is also called as a lancelet animal. It says as the Branchiostoma. The third subphylum, that is says as the largest subphylum, it says as the vertebrata. As in the vertebrata, the notochord during the embryonic period. So you can see here there is a presence of this embryo, and this embryo it containing the notochord. That is a notochord, it's present from the embryonic period. The notochord is replaced by the cartilaginous and the bony vertebral column in the case of the adult. Ventral muscular heart is here, so there is a presence of the ventral muscular heart. Kidney for the excretion and the osmoregulation which is present in case of the vertebrata, and there is a presence of the paired appendages, that is a paired twins is here, and there is a presence of the limbs, that is a forelimbs and the hind limbs here. Hope so you understood it. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned to my channel.